Hello friends, I am Vijay. So in the last tutorial I teach you the Unity basics, Unity UI basics, sorry. So in the Unity UI basics I teach you the canvas component of Unity UI. So in this tutorial I will teach you the anchor point and pivot point of UI element. How you can set the UI element in your screen, and how you can set the anchor point of an game object and the pivot point of that element you can set. So when I'm giving just an example you to just I'm creating just simple panel. This panel is like a background image, you can say that this is a background image. Let's come with this alpha value. By default I can make it to more visible. Okay, so I'm creating a simple one button element. So you will see this button is coming in the middle center of this panel. Okay, panel is a parent object and the button is a child of this parent. So I am teaching you the anchor. What is anchor? So whenever you are creating an UI element, that's come with the default text transform component. This is the component which attach on the every any UI element. Okay, so this is the anchor point. You are seeing this four triangle corner, you are seeing that this is the anchor point. So by default its anchor point is middle center. It means it is coming middle center of the screen, and its position is xy is 0 0 and width height like that. Okay, so if I want to set anchor point of this element into any corner, I can set it from here. Okay, so Unity gives me facility to set anchor point of this game objects to anywhere. I can set it in anywhere into the screen. So this is the top left corner I want to set. I can select it. So this anchor point is selected top left corner. This is a top and the left. If I want to select this anchor point is a top center, I can set it. So this UI element is with respect to top center. When you are changing the anchor points, its XY position is changing. You will see that. If I am selecting the top right corner, so you will see that X position has changed. So this UI element is managing its position with respect to this anchor point. It's like suppose you are in the word and your position is defining with respect to word. So in this coordinate unity system, so the origin of this element is top right. So if you want to see that, if I am suppose I will do 0 and 0 of this element, you will see this element has came here. It's 0 0 0. Why? Because anchor point of this element is to top right corner, and its xy position with respect to this corner is 0 0 0. Why it is coming in the middle of this button? Because of this pivot point. This UI element has pivot point. This round circle you are seeing that. So in the Unity UI, the coordinate is starting from the here bottom left. This is the origin of UI coordinate system. You can set that 0 0 is here. So suppose I am selecting this bottom left, and this is the position of this 1920 X position with respect to this point is 9020. This is horizontal, X is horizontal, Y is a vertical. So its position is 9020 with respect to this top left corner. What about if I will do 0 0? So it will come here. you will see that. So starting point 0 here, y is 0 here. Now coming to the pivot point, so you can change this element name by here. So I can change it to button, like, sorry. So this element, you will see that x and y position is changing here with respect to this corner. Okay, in the last tutorial I teach you the screen space overlay, so you can design. So whenever you are designing the screen for the mobile, you have to select this screen space overlay and the scale with the screen size. Scale with the screen size, it means all the element will scale as per the screen size. You will see that this element is scaling itself with respect to this screen resolution. So button is in the top, bottom left corner. I will select this 0 0 0. Okay, so now I'm coming to the pivot point. So by default pivot is set here by 0 0. If suppose you want to set this button to the top, bottom left corner, this is bottom left. Okay, I will make it 0 0, so it is cropping like that. So I want to see the whole button, so I can modify the pivot point. So 0 0, so its position is changing like that. I will tell you why it is happening. So when I said this x and y 0 0, why? Because the origin is starting from here. 0, x is 0 is here, and y is 0 is here, this point. Okay, so when I am making 1 x, so it will goes in this horizontal direction. The x value will be here 1. If I will make is 0, so you will see that this anchor point is here and pivot point is came here. Why? Because x I make it 1. The pivot point and the anchor point will varies from 0 to 1 only. You have to set it 0 to 1 only. You don't have to put any values except this. So I can make I can change the pivot point of an element and the anchor point of an element as per the requirement. You can set it. I will create one more button to set all this into the 4 corner. I will set, so I will make it 0 0. Why it is coming? Because the pivot point in the middle center. I want to make it pivot point here, so x will be 0 and y will be 1, so it will come like that. So now I modified the pivot point of this button. So this pivot point with respect to this anchor point, so every element has their own pivot point, their own anchor point. You can set it as per your requirement. Okay, so again I am creating one more button to show you. If I want to place this button in the top right corner, so I will select this top right corner, so I will make it 0 0 0. Okay, now pivot point is in the center. If I don't want to change the pivot point, so I can change the x and y position. But this will be not so much accurate. So bit is 160, I will divide by 2, so it will be minus 180. Okay, if I will do that, minus 15. So without changing the pivot point, I can set it like that, like XY position. You will see that this 4 button will be in this 4 corner only. If I am changing the screen resolution also, like that, this is for the multiple resolution, it will work. In the next tutorial, I will teach you for the multiple resolution, how you will set the UI element for the multiple resolution. In the more detail, I will tell you how to do that. So now 0 0, this X will be 1 and Y will be 0. Okay, so now this all 4 button is created in the 4 corner. As per the requirement, you can set it. So if resolution will be changed, there will be no issue, it will be on in the corner also. No, it will not go outside the screen. Why? Because I set it the anchor point and the pivot point like that. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can write the comments. Okay, thank you.